Also, Rash, welcome back to our Irish for Parents mini weekly lesson. And on Seachtain Seo this week, we're going to look at how to say good luck as Gaeilge. So good luck as in when your kids are going off to school or they're going off to maybe do a match or a competition, no scrúdú, an exam. This is a really useful one to be able to say good luck to them. Parliament ar chúpla ballach. We'll look at a couple of ways to say good luck as Gaeilge. And just to mention, those, if you are a parent and you would love to be able to add some very useful practical Irish to your day-to-day life at home, then our 6-week Gaeilge guide or our complete Gaeilge guide speaking Irish at home are available right now. You can get instant access to them and they have all the practical Irish that any parent would need to be able to add some Irish to their home. So you can check those down below in the description. Acharlin, on we go. So good luck in Irish. Balchawan, one way is to say good nairi on tolat. Good nairi on tolat. Good nairi on tolat. Good luck. Now this is good luck to one person because lat means with you literally. So if you're saying good luck to more than one person or more than one of your children, you would change lat to live. And then it'll be good nairi on to live. Ganairi on Tolive. Arish Marskano, as usual, check this out in Aberdasha if you would like to hear how it's pronounced in each of the different dialects. This is just a standard way of pronouncing it, but if you would like to hear Ulster, Connacht or Munster specifically, then you can check Aberdasha and just type this phrase into Aberdasha and choose your area. Now a shorter way of saying good luck is just saying more, more, more. And basically this is just big luck. More is big in Irish. So big luck, more. So more, good luck. And this is also a nice one to sign off in an email or a message if you would like to say more, good luck. So Sinnig and Seachtain Seo, that's it for this week. Gura míle maith. Thank you so much for watching Marskana as usual. Don't forget to check out our Gaeilge speaking guides for parents. They are the only resource like it out there for parents that exists and makes the Irish language so quick and easy to learn to pass on to your kids. Agus feice mé an Seachtain Seo thugann. I'll see you next week. Slán go fóill. Bye for now.